Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Here we are simplifying the short questions from the chapter shorts. We have two more questions here. In the previous classes we simplify this type of question up to number 14. Now we have two more questions, 15 and 16. We simplify these questions here. Now our question number 15 is 3 cube root of 81, it is cube root. And minus 3 cube root of 24 plus 2 cube root of 375 whole upon 13 cube root of 192. To simplify this type of sorts, you can see these sorts are not same, not like here, because the radicand are different. It is 81, it is 24, it is 375, and denominator the radicand is 192. Having different radicand like this, you cannot do anything. So we get the prime factors of each radicand, and as the order of each root is 3, we try to get the power 3 of the factors of the radicand. When we get the factor having the power equal to the order of this sort, it comes out. Let's do first, and after that we'll get obviously the like sorts which can be added or subtracted. That means order of these all sorts are same, but the radicand are different. After simplifying this radicand, they will be converted into the like sorts, and the like sorts can be simplified, that they can be added or they can be subtracted. So let's simplify the radicand. 81, get the prime factors. 327 times 3933. So 81 can be written as it is 3 cube into 3. Similarly, this 24. 12 times 2, 6 times 2, 3 times. So it is 2 cube into 3. Similarly, 375 divisible by 3. 3 1, 3 2 5. By 5, 25 by 5, so it is 5 cube into 3. Similar this 192 divisible by 2, 96 divisible by 2, 48 divisible by 2, 24 by 2, 12 by 2, 6 by 2, 3. That is 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. It is 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. So 81 can be written as 3 cube into 3. This 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3, and this 192 can be written as 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. 3 cube root of 81. We write 3 cube into 3 for 81. 3 cube into 3. Again cube root of 24. 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 3 plus 2 375 cube root of 375 is 5 cube into 5, sorry, 5 cube into 3, and denominator 13 cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. Now it is 3, this 3 comes out when the order is equal to the power of the factor. This factor comes out. 3 comes out. What remains there? Cube root of 3. 3 into 2 comes out here, cube root of 3, 2 into 5 comes out, cube root of 3, upon 13, 2 and 2, both 2 comes out, and it is cube root of 3. Now it is 3 times 9 cube root of 3, it is 6 cube root of 3, 10 cube root of 3, upon it is 52 cube root of 3. Now all sorts are like such. Look here now. 9 cube root of 3 minus 6 cube root of 3 plus 10 cube root of 3 numerator. Similarly 52 cube root of 3 cube root of 3 cube root of 3 cube root of 3. It is just like 9a minus 6a plus 10a. So like terms can be added or subtracted together. 10 plus 9, 19 minus 6, it is 13. 13 cube root of 3 upon 52 cube root of 3, cube root of 3, cube root of 3 cancel. 13 1, 13 4. So it is 1 upon 4. So this type of sorts can be simplified like this. Every sort, look here now. We get the prime factors of the radicand, and we try to have the power of factor of the radicand equal to the order. Which factor has the power equal to the order? It comes out after doing this. All sorts will be converted into the like sorts, which can be simplified or added or subtracted in a very easy way. Look here now. You got the answer here. Similarly, let's simplify this question number 16. It also can be done in the same way. Under root 20x square under root 45 x square plus x under root 125 whole upon 80 x square. Now order of each sort is 2 here. So we try to get the square of the factor of the radicand. This x is already it is in the form of square, x square, here also x square, x can be taken out directly because this power of x is equal to the order of the sort here. And for the numbers, this 20 we factorize 10 times by 2 to 5. So it is 3 square into 5. Similarly 45 divided by 3. 15 times, again by 3, 5 times, so 83 square into 5, and this 125, 525, 5 square into 5, 80, 2, 40 times, 2, 20 times, 2, 10 times, 2, 5 times. So it is 2 square into t square, 4 square into 5, because 8 is 16 into 5, that is 4 square into 5. So this x comes out, and for this 20 we can write 2 square into 5. Here also x comes out 45, it is 3 square into 5. And plus x, it is 5 square into 5. 5 square into 5 all upon 80. X comes out 80 it is, and 4 square into 5. 2 comes out 2x under root 5. 3 comes out 3x under root 5. Here 5 comes out 5x under root 5 upon 4 comes out 4x under root 5. Now all the sorts are like sorts. So 2x plus 5x 7x minus 3x, it is 4x. 4x under root 5. Denominator also we have 4x under root 5. This and this cancel. This also cancel. So it gives the answer 1. So in this way, with the same technique, we simplify this last question number 16 also. Now from the next classes, we learn one more technique for simplifying this type of sort, that is by rationalization, by rationalizing a sort. What is the rationalization of the sort? How do we rationalize the sorts, or how we can simplify the sorts by rationalizing the denominator? These all things we discuss in the coming classes. Okay, thank you, bye bye.